Hey everyone! Welcome back to Senior Healing Hub, the place where we talk about natural ways to heal, stay healthy, and live your best years with energy and confidence. Today, I'm going to show you how to stop nighttime urination. And believe me, it's not as hard as you think if you know the real root cause. Most people with urinary frequency at night make one big mistake. They don't realize that in about 95% of cases, the real problem isn't what they think it is. If you don't address this hidden cause, nothing you try will really work. Let's start with what doesn't work. Many people assume their prostate is the main cause of their nighttime urination, and that's simply not true. They take prostate medications or herbal supplements, and yet the problem stays the same. Others think it's a urinary tract infection, kidney stones, or some other issue. And while those things can happen, they're actually far less common. The number one cause of frequent urination at night is too much insulin in your blood. There's a condition called insulin resistance, where your body cells stop responding to insulin properly. To compensate, your pancreas produces more and more insulin just to get the same job done. A huge percentage of people with diabetes, or even prediabetes, have this problem. When your blood sugar is high, your body tries to get rid of the excess sugar because it's toxic. And how does it do that? Through your kidneys. Where sugar goes, water follows. And that's why you pee more often, especially at night. This is called polyuria, which simply means frequent urination. Even if your blood sugar seems normal, insulin resistance alone can make your bladder overactive. There have even been experiments with dogs. When they were injected with insulin, they started urinating more frequently at night. Frequent nighttime urination is often one of the earliest signs of insulin resistance, a warning sign that your body is on the path toward diabetes. Insulin resistance also puts extra pressure on your kidneys. That's one of the main reasons diabetes is the leading cause of kidney disease. It messes with your electrolytes, raises your blood pressure at night, and increases cortisol, your stress hormone, which again makes you pee more. In women, insulin resistance weakens the pelvic floor and bladder muscles, leading to even more control issues. It also causes a magnesium deficiency, which makes it harder for your body to control smooth muscles, including those that help manage your bladder. Insulin resistance also lowers testosterone levels. When people go through testosterone replacement therapy, many notice their bladder control and nighttime urination improve. As we age, our testosterone naturally drops, which is one reason bladder problems become more common. Interestingly, improving testosterone also helps reverse insulin resistance, so it's a two-way street. Now, here's the million-dollar question. What makes insulin resistance worse, especially at night? If you guess snacking before bed, you're absolutely right. That's the single most damaging habit for your bladder health. And I'm not just talking about chips, cookies, or sweets. Even healthy snacks can raise your insulin and trigger nighttime urination. So I strongly recommend no snacks after dinner. And try to avoid drinking anything after that time as well. Refined carbs and sugar raise insulin. That's obvious. But what many people don't realize is that just eating in general raises insulin. Even healthy snacks cause insulin spikes. And when you wake up multiple times to pee, you lose sleep, which raises cortisol, messes up blood sugar, and makes you crave snacks again the next night. It's a vicious cycle. A lot of people snack simply because they're bored, tired, or out of habit, not because they're truly hungry. If it's really hard to stop, start by switching to healthier options like blueberries, strawberries, celery, grapefruit. But honestly, the best snack is no snack at all. And here's a pro tip. Just don't buy them. If junk food is sitting in your pantry, calling your name, you'll eventually give in. One bite turns into the whole bag before you realize it. There's another reason some people have nighttime urination. Low salt intake. Salt helps your body hold on to fluids properly. If you cut out too much salt, you might actually start urinating more. Sometimes people crave snacks because their body just needs sodium. So add a little natural sea salt to your meals during the day. Adequate salt keeps your cortisol levels down and helps you sleep better. Now, beyond avoiding snacks, try switching to a low-carb diet, under 30 grams of carbs per day. That alone can dramatically improve insulin resistance. I recommend following the healthy version of the ketogenic diet. And if you'd like me to make a full video explaining exactly how to do it, just let me know in the comments below. Equally important is intermittent fasting. Start with 3 meals a day, no snacks. And then work your way down to 2 meals. Skip breakfast, have lunch and dinner, and don't eat in between. Don't stress about calories. Eat until you're full and satisfied. Breaking the snacking habit is the key. Do this consistently, and you'll start sleeping through the night. Wake up feeling energized, and notice fewer cravings overall. Finally, make sure you're getting enough vitamin D, because it plays a huge role in insulin sensitivity and sleep quality. Always pair vitamin D with magnesium. They work best together. You can get vitamin D naturally from sunlight, especially by spending 15 to 20 minutes outside in the early morning or late afternoon. Magnesium, on the other hand, is found in foods like leafy green vegetables, almonds, pumpkin seeds, and avocados. If you don't get enough from food, you can also take a high-quality vitamin D3 and magnesium supplement. They help calm your nerves, relax your muscles, and support deep, restful sleep. Thanks for listening. Remember, your body has the power to heal when you give it what it truly needs. I'll see you in the next episode.